Hi friends, it's me Maruti Shankar. I'm here with a small incident that happened to me few days ago. The incident may look silly, unintelligent, empty-headed, or even mad and crazy, but it taught me a lesson which was brilliant and terrific. It is a story about me and myself. First of all, as known by the people around me, I'm a lazy guy, which I too agree. Yet I believe I'm a bit smarter too, which some of them failed to accept. One fine evening, oh no, not just fine, it was a cool evening too. It was when I desperately need some warm water to drink, and I had a flask full of hot water. Say it's approximately 1 by 4th of a liter. It was really very hot, and I didn't want to spoil or hurt my tongue by drinking it. At that point, I had only two choices. One, to go to my kitchen to get some cold water, thereby converting the hot water into a warmer one, or just have to pour some hot water into the flask's cap and wait for a while to get it warm by itself. By this time, you people would know which choice I would choose. Of course, the second one. I poured, waited for 6 to 7 minutes, and I quickly drank the warm water. And this was the moment where the lesson is. Actually, after I drank a cup of warm water, my thirst has not been quenched. Now my mind laughed at me and it asked, "Are you going to be lazy then? Are you preparing to wait for another 6 to 7 minutes? Are you willing to waste those precious minutes?" At the same time, my brain said, "Hold on, my man." And it asked, "Are you sitting here just because of laziness? Are you going to go to your kitchen in search of cold water? Are you interested in mixing some cold water to this hot one? Well, that's agreeable and appreciable, but I have another question. Answer this and you may proceed. What will you do if you can't find any cold water to mix with?" It's a pretty good question, and of course, I was confused and clueless. Thereby, I found an interesting way. I poured another cup of hot water and waited for 8 minutes. Then, instead of drinking it fully, I drank a sip of warm water, say 1 by 5th of that cup. Then I added some more hot water to it, and then the cup was again full and warm. And I drank another sip. I then refilled the cup and took another sip, and it went on. The water was warm enough till my thirst been quenched. The lesson which I learned from this is the thirst mentioned in this story may be a representation of our life problem. The ready-made available solution is the water. But which sort of water? Is it hot or warm or cold one? It depends and changes from person to person. For instance, you are permitted to take quick decision upon your problem. But if that is an impossible case, then for a sufficient and satisfactory solution, we may not need to wait for a while. Rather, we can solve it bit by bit. I hope I am clear with you all and you all understand my point of view. As our great physicist and philosopher Albert Einstein quotes, "The formulation of the problem is often more essential than its solution, which may be merely a matter of mathematical or experimental skill." Be an antonym of problem. Thank you.